Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Shine. Welcome to my channel. First I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so excited that I have more subscribers and yeah, it's been really fun meeting new people and seeing new talent. You guys are amazing. So I came today to do a project share. I have been working on some things basically for Christmas. You all know I like Christmas a lot, and I just want to show you what I've been working on. I'll start off with my little mini cards here. I think these are 4 by 2. They're like 4 by 2. And I'll just show, I haven't put a sentiment inside them yet, but these are really cute. And then I'll make the envelopes with them. So that's that. And then I did a few more. And I made an envelope with that one with my envelope punch. So that's that. I really like this one. So this is really cute. And this one is really nice. And then this one was, I put a cutout on it and it was a tag. So I made it into a card and put like a ribbon there. So that's that. And then my next ones, these are the bigger ones. These are from the cutouts. So I just need to make envelopes for them all and get adhesive with them. How cute is this snowman? Oh my dear. The plaid is nice as well. And then you got little snow globes. Have deers and trees in them and snowmans. And then this one was with the words on it. And then I really like this one. This can be given to, it's so masculine. Just say merry and bright. This is really nice. So yeah, those. And then I did do some that I was able to put in plastic. Silent Night. Yes, I've been pretty busy. And remember I told you guys about the top part of the 12 by 12 paper pad. Don't throw it away. Just cut it down and it can be used for like washi tape. Sort of like washi tape or trim. Okay, so that's that. And I was working on some pencil packs with the eraser. I had some packaging to seal them up in with some red and white twine. And then this is the eraser here. The little penguin, that's so cute. And the stocking. And then the one say joy. So that's that. I've worked on that. And let me show you what else I've been working on with the cutting boards. Let's see here. I did the one for Halloween. I did another one for kitchen. And then I was able to do the one with the remember I needed one with the pumpkin on it. Try to take it out the bag. This is this one here. And I did one with tomato. I added a label over the tab. This is the Halloween one. I just added 2 pencils. I really just like the way the colors went. Another label, Rest in Peace. This was some washi tape. Really cute. This is another one for Christmas. Did this one. This one is holding some hot chocolate. So you just pull it up. I put like a clothespin on it, made like a little box. And I didn't have the candy cane, so I just used the straws. You put the straws in it to stir. This is a cutout from some paper I had. But I got the inspiration from this here cutout tag when it said hot cocoa, warm blankets, and caroling. And I was like, you know what? I can make this one out of hot cocoa holders. So, you know, it looks really pretty. And then the last one I made was one to hold recipe. This one holds recipe cards. See here. Yeah. All different kind of recipe cards. Another little cutout, a tag, a gold paper binder, a ribbon with another cutout, and then orange gel pen. So yeah, that one turned out really cute too. So I just want to thank you guys for stopping by, and say again, welcome to my new subscriber, and to my old subscribers, thank you again. And just click like, share, and thanks for watching. Just trying to set it where you can see the beauty of everything. Bye now.